Welcome back to our Introduction to Cohesity video series. In this video, we're going to look at how Cohesity allows you to seamlessly leverage cloud as a part of your data protection workflow. Users can either archive data to the cloud by setting up archival at a policy level, or they can tier off the coldest data on their cluster to the cloud by enabling CloudTier on their cluster. Both of these start with a simple registration of your cloud provider as an external target. Cohesity supports many of the popular cloud storage providers, making it easy for you to go with the provider of your choice. We've logged into our Cohesity cluster and navigated to external targets within the platform section of the Cohesity management interface. These are two targets that have already been registered with the cluster. One for Cloud Archival and one for CloudTier. We'll look at CloudTier in a moment, but for now, let's review the registration process. Let's give this target a name, choose what we're going to use this target for, what provider we are going to use, and finally the necessary information needed to register the target. Additionally, we can elect to encrypt and/or compress our archive data. Click Add to complete the registration process. Now let's head over to the Policy Manager and review how we can use this target we just added to implement CloudArchive. Here's a policy that does not currently have archival configured. Let's click on Edit and skip over to the Replication and Archival step. Since we have already added an external archive target to our system, we see the Add Archive Schedule link here. Clicking on it will add an archive schedule to this policy. Let's select the target we just created and set our archive schedule and retention. That's really all there is to it. If needed, we can add multiple archive schedules to the policy, empowering you to completely customize your retention based on your corporate policy. Let's continue on and save this policy. Let's take a look at a previously configured protection job that is already archiving to the cloud so that we can see what this looks like. Here we can see that it has been automatically updated to now include Cloud Archival in addition to the existing retention settings, all simply by updating the policy. Now let's take a look at CloudTier. As we mentioned earlier, CloudTier allows you to tier off your coldest data to the cloud once you reach a certain threshold on your local storage. With this, you never have to worry about running out of space on your on-prem cluster. Enabling this is very easy. You simply navigate to the Viewbox section within Platforms, click on Add a Viewbox, and enable CloudTier for that Viewbox. Here's a Viewbox that is already tiering data to the cloud. Since this is the only Viewbox on this cluster with CloudTier enabled, we can see that it has tiered off over 800 gigabytes of data to the cloud. That's a quick overview of Cohesity Cloud Archive and Cohesity CloudTier. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you will join us for other videos coming soon. You can find links to those in the annotations and description below. For more information, visit our website at cohesity.com.